arrived. Now we need supplies. Alright, we're stocked up on munch. Let's find somewhere to sleep. Okay, this is the setup. I don't know if you can see anything. It's time to eat and sleep.
Going up in smoke, not a fuck with dog. Kill the rich and feed the poor. Fuck it either or. Bitch, I'm Ed Gein, I'm getting under your skin. I could get you anything. Import, export. From the grimy on the belly like your bed sauce. The masked man that breaks into your home and enters. Turns the smoke detectors and the motion sensors off and burns it down to coal and embers.
Oh, check this out. This guy's got a car on the pavement. Got a license plate and everything. But anyway, sick to be back here. Can't believe it's been a year since I was last here. It's actually mad. Let's get to Keswick. Too many police around here in Penrith. Fuck this shit. Single to Keswick, please. £8.20. What? £8.20. What the fuck? Whenever I go, police, man. I swear they're following me. Honestly, I didn't film it, but when I was in Penrith, this same police car just went past me 3 times. She seemed to be hovering around, and then there was unmarked police as well. But that's what I think we're heading for. Skiddaw, baby. Mate, that purple heather. You see it elsewhere, but it's not the same. It's in the Peak District too, but it just doesn't look as purple, I swear. I don't know if it's translating to the camera. Yeah, mate, purple hills. Come on. It's starting, man. Let's go. There's loads of woods around here. I think I'll likely sleep here. We're getting somewhere now. Get to see that Lake District heather up close. This is what makes all these mountains look purple. What the fuck? That's weird. Damn, the sun's kind of gone. It looks like there's gaps below. Hopefully, she should come down. I believe that's Skiddaw there. Oh, mate, see the sea. Woo! Can't see the sun yet though. Mate, I think this is gonna work out. I think this is gonna be a sick sunset. I'm feeling it right now. That's Skiddaw. Let's fucking go. This is actually well scary. It just gets steeper and steeper and steeper until it's like a vertical drop. It's getting to the point now where I could fall over. That's so ill. This is so trippy, bro. The floor just disappears. Can you see how steep that is? I know it's hard with the fisheye, but take my word for it, that's fucking steep. Feels like I could just slip and then skid down Skiddaw. Oh, the sun's back. Fuck yeah, mate. This is so dope. Can you see the clouds crashing over those mountains? They've like come into them and hit them and they're flowing over the top of them. That looks amazing. Bye bye sun, hopefully see you at the top of the mountain. The moment of truth, did we make it in time? Just about. Fuck yeah. This is the peak, right? Oh, it says it's a bit further. Technically it's over there. Shit. We fucking made it. Skiddaw sunset. Officially to the ordnance map bit. Skiddaw had to be done. I believe we're 931 meters above sea level, and that's the sea there. Smashed it. I think it looks better with my sunglasses on, so I'm going to try putting the sunglasses over the camera. Hey, that does look better, doesn't it? It just brings out the colours a bit more with the sunglasses on. Like that bit of the sky up there does not look very pink, but put the sunglasses on and it does. This is so sick, man. We're at the highest point all around. Super illy. Let's smoke a bowl. Oh shit, it says, yeah, it says Helvellyn is that direction and Scafell is that direction. quick, bro. I think the wind helped. I thought that was a fucking plug then. I could charge my phone. This was fun as fuck. Another sick mountain climb with amazing weather, dope sunset to finish it off. Couldn't ask for more, bro. And while it's cloudy there, it's clear above. Hopefully we'll get to see some stars on the way down. I don't think you can tell on the video, but I was right. There's crazy stars out. I took some pics with my camera, as you can see. Bear in mind, I ain't got a tripod and my camera's not amazing, but I can see the Milky Way. I'll try and point it out in the photos. It's noon already. I slept so well. This hammock's so comfy. I slept on Skiddaw. There's like forest at the bottom of it. The stars were insane last night. It was so good. Even through this canopy of trees, you know, which is relatively dense, I could still see so many. I got some pictures, I'll show them now. It was so cool. But yeah, pretty solid spot. So Skiddaw, check. What next? Let's head towards Skiddaw. Whoa! Mate, that looks so sick. See the fractal nature of reality. Right, as you can tell, I'm chilling now. Ben's original Middle Eastern inspired flavor. Let's go. I didn't film much today because I was mostly just hiking. But yeah, we should be on to Skiddaw tomorrow. On to another day. As you can see, I camped up high last night. Fucking hell, mate. How did I climb that in the dark? Gotta find a way down now. Nearly just face planted down a fucking hill. This is actually a challenge to find out how to get down. Now, in the jungle. Fuck, I'm so close to the bottom. Just can't see the floor at all. Fuck. Goes down there. Hope I don't break my ankle. Oh, yes. Phew. Okay, we made it. Thank fuck. Yes. Freedom. Wow. Lovely weather. I'm on the north side of Skiddaw and that. I've just realized I've made the same mistake I did when I came here about a year ago. You can't get to Skiddaw easily from the north side. It's like the Great End and Great Gable and stuff in the way. So you gotta like climb multiple mountains to get to it. And the problem is I don't have enough food to last me till then. So I'm gonna have to make a slight change of plan. I think I'm gonna head straight up there. It's just some hill, I don't know what it is exactly. I'm gonna see if I can just go straight up that fucking hill. Let's go. I hope this is possible. And ideally I want to go down the other side of the hill. So I hope that's fucking possible too. That's a spine of a sheep. Rest in peace. gonna start to get trickier now. The cream flies love these ferns. Can you see them? I want to get on top of that rock. Landslide territory. Fuck, the ground's really wet here. Okay, cool. Woo! Mate, this is sick. Perfect spot for a little break. Right, it's getting steep now. We're nearly there though. Oh man, there's still a lot to go. Fuck, thought we were nearly there. This shit's bigger than I thought it was. So I finally got service for the first time in about 36 hours. And it turns out we've accidentally climbed a mountain. It's called Glaramara. So this is my first accidental mountain climb. It's great though, I'm glad I decided to do this instead of Scarfell. I think that little peak there, I think that's Scarfell, and that's Scarfell Pike next to it that's closer. But yeah, they're too far away for me to do today. Let's try and get to the top of this. Finally get to see the other side. Precision. Damn. Fuck yeah, bro. Dankness. I don't know where the fuck I'm gonna go now though. I have no plan of where to sleep. I was hoping I'd find some forest on the other side, but no. So, I don't know what to do now. All right, well, let's take a seat and think about it. Glaramara. That mountain in the distance is Skiddaw. So in the last 48 hours, I've hiked from there to here, on top of Glaramara. Gorgeous. I believe that's Scarfell Pike, that's Scarfell. I'm not sure what that one is. I think that's the great end. Now to figure out where the fuck we're gonna sleep. Scarfell and Scarfell Pike. I'm coming back for you guys. This has been an awesome trip so far. Right, that was a fucking mission, holy shit. I'm not joking. It took me 5 hours to get down the mountain. Way longer than going down Helvellyn, Snowdon, Ben Nevis, Scarfell Pike, just because I decided to go down the other side of the mountain and the path was just the windiest, longest path possible. But you couldn't take shortcuts because it was mad steep. So yeah, it took me fucking ages. And then it took me another hour to find this spot. It's basically the first opportunity I had to set up the hammock. I'm knackered. I just tried to set up in a campsite just up the road, but a guy kicked me out. Well, I say kick me out. He kindly showed me the way to the exit whilst I pretended to be lost. But that was probably for the best anyway. So yeah, we're 5 minutes up the road from that. I think this is technically another campsite, but it's like this one's much further away. This one's campsite's further off the road, whereas there's just these little patch of trees that's pretty near the road. But fuck it, I can't be asked to look any further because I'm so tired and it's 2 in the morning now. So yeah, solid 12 hours of hiking today. Time to chill and eat.
And then the smoke converges, creating a trifecta of joint smoking power. This is it, man. This is what your grandchildren are gonna be smoking. Are you ready?
Ready.
Makes you 10 times more higher than the crossfeed and the Pineapple Express, man. You're like, totally fucking gong show, man.
I'm gonna smoke this joint and watch this film. See you tomorrow. On to another day. Oi oi. Chilling. So many trees have fallen over here. Look at this. Fucking hell. That is a hell of a root system. Wow. That's crazy. So tall. There's another one. I wonder how many years that tree was there before it fell one day. I wonder what made it fall. Found a quarry. It's huge. It's dope.